Hello, it's Robert Burr here at the Rum Wreck Dive Bar with another episode of Rum Minute. Today we're looking at Selvarey Owner's Reserve Aged Rum from Panama. From the central regions of Panama via Hollywood, California, here is a limited edition aged rum worthy of its title, Selva Rey Owner's Reserve. The name Selva Rey is based on the Spanish translation of Jungle King. This fine aged Owner's Reserve edition was conceived and developed by international superstar performer Bruno Mars in a collaboration with legendary master distiller and blender Don Pancho Fernandez, a king of rum in his own right. It's obvious this product is meant to impress rum aficionados and collectors, as well as anyone who appreciates luxury spirits, with a decidedly sophisticated approach and elegant presentation. Selva Rey Owner's Reserve is created by Don Pancho in Panama using his antique copper column stills. After aging in used American oak bourbon and whiskey casks, the most outstanding 15 and 25-year-old marks for this owner's reserve are masterfully selected and blended for near-perfect balance. Initial aromas of rich toasted oak, smoky honey, dark fruit, and cocoa nibs are followed by suggestions of creamy vanilla and bread pudding. On the palate, a smooth entry of rich caramel, raisin, and prune leads to treacle, hazelnut, and vanilla custard with baking spices and toffee, before hints of old oak tannins and a bitter cacao note adds balance. The very long, luxurious finish echoes the notes of charred oak, caramel, vanilla bean, and cocoa. Selva Rey Owner's Reserve is an exquisite example of the best of Panama's rum, available in limited supply at select retailers in the USA, as well as several online sources. It's best enjoyed neat or with just a single cube of clear ice in a generous tumbler or a proper tasting glass. The 750 milliliter bottle of Selva Rey Owner's Reserve, bottled at 40% ABV, sells for about $150.